I enjoy. Now being loaded. Racing just is started with Boss Benji. Break quick later start. Apo. Moving party outside Cole Harbor together with I enjoy to take the lead and comes Prince Isaiah Richco while Amore Mio is the early trailer by about 10 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, I enjoy. Goes on, leads by about 3 lengths. Cole Harbor in second. Apo is racing in third. And in fourth comes Boss Benji Richco, Prince Isaiah, while Amore Mio is still racing in less. Racing down the backstretch. Now we have Apo. Now takes command by our ahead. Moving party outside is Cole Harbor. Shuffle back in third comes I enjoy Boss Benji Richco. Then comes Prince Isaiah while Amore Mio is still racing in less. Last 400 meters of the race we have Apo. Enjoying a length and a half lead. Cole Harbor in second. I enjoy Boss Benji Richco now trying to get closer in fourth. And as they swing for home, we have Apo this time by about 6 lengths. Cole Harbor in second. Moving party outside is I enjoy Richco. Last 50 meters, it's all Apo. And finally, Apo. Second is Cole Harbor, Prince Isaiah Richco. I enjoy.
Alright. Top choice number 4, Apo. Crossing the wire first, ridden by Calvin B. Abobo. Malayang pagkakapanalo, then masisigundo rin. Number 6, Cole Harbor, Prince Isaiah, then Richco.
Tama yung sabi mo, partner. Medyo angat nga ito sa laban. Outclassing the field. Panorin natin ulit itong replay ng race.